Good morning, everybody. We're here at the Big Bird 5K run, Roseville, Michigan. Birthday girl, say hi. Beautiful wife, my cousin Darla. And this is the registration sign in. I'm gonna obviously keep you guys up to date here. Now for our t-shirts, I'm an extra large. Thank you. Look at that. Yeah. Love it. Very cool. Coming in now. We got Kay Harvey over here. Look. What up? That's a Big Bird run here, first 5K. Got a document here for you guys. Very excited. It's the birthday girl.
Run, Pepper Great 5K. Runners, on your mark. Go! Make sure you go over the timing map and not around them so you can capture your start time. Good luck, everybody. Thank you for coming out. Enjoy.
Steven! Brian! Ellen!
Sir, if you want to get time,
Big Bird 5K run. We got the birthday girl and cousin Darla over here. We're doing it, first 5K ever. So can't wait to see what our numbers are. Look at that, some of our fans. Some of the Base Camp E-Man fans. Look at that. Yay! Base Camp E-Man doing the 5K. Woo! We'll see you guys. No, not bad. Look at that, yo. I see a 1 mile sign. Woo! Doing it. 1 mile down. 2 more to go, brother. A 15-minute mile. We got this all day now. Watch your step. Damn, a 15:32. Personal best. See what number 2 gives us. Peace out. 15:32, we had first mile. Look at that, more of our fans. Woo-hoo! Coming down the home stretch. Next stop, finish line, baby. There she is. We're gonna finish her up, folks. Yeah. Here we go. Thanks. Coming to the finish line, baby. We did it. Unbelievable. Never thought this would even be possible. Look at that. 58. Yeah. Oh, that's not up. Yay! We did it! More of our fans. There I am. 1848 was my number, and I did 48:59. 5K Big Bird run here in Roseville. I'm with the birthday girl, a beautiful bride, Dawn. And we did complete it under an hour, which was pretty cool. I think we were 49 flat. So